Hey guys,
Now we in a Boeing 737 now.
we in a cockpit view because we have a surprise.
And that is...
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.
Okay, this is the surprise.
Hope you enjoy. Okay, be serious now.
Yay, right. I'll be normal today, okay?
Okay.
Taxing take too long.
Skipping time.
5 minutes later.
We here on runway.
Now we have to take off. Wait, why are you skipping? We gonna die.
Do you forgot we on Ryanair? That's how every Ryanair does.
Oh, okay. So high.
Just only 90 degree. Flipping time.
If Ryanair actually do this, I never sit on a Ryanair again.
Me too. Do you know how Ryanair land?
Watch till the end if you wanna know.
We gonna land now.
But we on the air.
Watch me how to land.
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.
Thank you for watching the video.